If you haven't seen, Twitch has just launched a new feature which will help streamers show some love for the artists in their community and the artists that have helped shape their channels. And as you can see on the screen here, you can now assign these badges to those members of the community. You can either do this by going into the roles manager like we have here by clicking the plus icon, or you can go into the emotes section and click on the emote or the emotes that you want to assign an artist to. As a creator, you get 5 artist badges that you can assign to your community, and when you do attribute an emote to an artist, they will get a notification in their Twitch inbox. So let's do an example. We have an emote here which is created by an artist. If we go to the bottom right corner and type in the user who made the emote, there she is there, we can now see it's pending. So they'll have to also accept this, and they can also remove themselves completely from this whole attribution. If they don't want any of these badges at all, they can just decline it all and not have any of these requests come in the future. And we've just done another one here with the auto emote, and as you can see in the bottom right hand corner, it is still the same as the other one, it is pending as well. And say for example you created your own emotes and want to show that off in chat, you can actually attribute emotes to yourself as we've done here. And then you'll get the same message that the other artist got in their inbox, in your inbox, and then you can manage it accordingly from there. And if you click on that, you'll be welcomed by this screen here where you can accept or decline the emotes, and also you can use this little button here to allow attribution on Twitch or not. Once that's all done, next time you're in Twitch chat, you'll see that every emote that you attributed has an artist underneath it, like you can see here. And if you go down, you can see that the name of the artist will have that little badge next to the name as well. So yeah, I think this update brings a great way for you to show some appreciation to the artists in your community, but let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, let me know with a like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.